Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Hi everyone, my name's Phoebe. I'm the head of dance here at Italia Conti, and I'm going to run us through your jazz sequence for your audition. Let me just introduce you to the student. So this is also Phoebe. She's one of our MT students. This is Charlie in the middle, one of our MT students. And this is Ria, one of our dance course students. So we're going to start with our feet together. On the instruction of the music, you'll come up 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to step forwards on your left leg and swish the right leg, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking it to the side, 1 second, step, step, 1 second, step, step. Into your allonge position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So on that little slide, I really want you to get those hips forwards. There can be a slight bend in the knees, and those arms are going to swish back. Yep, we'll just take it back to the beginning. Some things that I'll be looking for is lovely use of floor pressure, it's keeping those legs in parallel as they come in front, and then finding that turnout as you go into your second. When you're going into your allonge position, really keep an eye on that front heel and find that beautiful turnout. This supporting leg will be bent, and your arms will be in allonge. Can you just show me that position, please? Gorgeous, love that, good balance. Yep, so as you can see, that arm is in line with your ear, and you're finding that fondue on that supporting leg. Can I just see it up to there, please? 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, allonge, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and round. Good, very nice. From there, that goes on count 8. You're going to step across 1 and 2. So it's just a little hop, and think more traveling across. 1 and 2, those arms are going to développé out. You're going to pas de bras under, 3 and 4. So don't travel that too much. You'll travel this one, and then keep this underneath yourself, 3 and 4. Good, good, good. From there, you're going to do a little step jump, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this left arm is going to wrap. This right arm is going to push up to the ceiling. Have a slight little escape with that supporting leg, so I can see it go out a little bit, and this right leg will be right in your retire. Can you just show me that jump, BB? Lovely. So as you can see, she's pitching over. Her focus is down on the floor there. So we'll go back from the last allonge. So we'll go on 5, 6. I'll count you in 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 7, 8. Very nice. Let's carry on. So from here, we're going to go into our turning section. You're going to chasse out 1, showing me that beautiful turnout in that second. Pas de bras under, 2, 3, 4. However many turns you want to do here on high level, and then you'll escape out to here. So you'll go chasse, pas de bras, turn, escape. Just show me that, please. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Escape. Lovely. Now that can be as many times as you want, or it could be just a beautiful controlled single. Wherever you're at in your training is fine, as long as it's beautifully controlled. So we finished here on our rise. You're going to go back into your second on 1, 2, 3, 4, turning to the left, 5, 6. This time you'll step out 7. So different to your second. From your turn, you'll just step out second, and if you look down at that foot, that would be lovely. From here, you're going to go 8 and. So just 2 steps to then face this corner. So that in situ will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. As we do that 8 and, if we take our arms up to first, that will get us prepared for the next step. So could we please go from the first chasse towards the right? 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Good, good, good. We're almost there, so let's finish it off. This time, I really want to see elevation in this last part of the exercise. So from here, 8 and, you're going to step on your front leg, which will be your right leg, and you'll give me a lovely little attitude. So that supporting leg is going to be straight, and you're finding your flex position with those wrists. So that would go 8 and, jump 1, 2. You'll then come back to where you came from, 3, 4. You will step 5, you'll go into a développé leap, 6, 2 more steps, 7, 8, leap 1. Okay, so let's go full out from our step jump attitude. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yep, so you'll step down on 2. Just to finish it off, you've gone 1, down 2. You're going to do a little retire, 3 and 4. So from here, you're literally going to lift that left leg up into your retire. Arms will be facing out, and you're going to look up at those fingertips. 3 and 4. And then this one will just tap down to the floor, so your weight is still on that left leg. From here, there's 2 different options. So we are either going to go 5 and a little flick, 6, 7. So those knees are staying together. That foot is going to the side, and you're looking over to the left, and then you'll step out on your right leg. So that timing would go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. The second option would be the same timing up until 3 and 4, and then you'd go jump, box jump, down, which I will not demonstrate, but Charlie will. So if we take it from 1, 2, up on 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Lovely control. And that's the exercise done. So we're going to go one last time all the way through with my counts before we try it with some music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 7, 8, shall I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, up and down, step, jump. Okay, so let's try it with some music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Very nice. Okay, so we're going to try one more time with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.